Right, YouTube, so this is a really quick video. I couldn't really decide where to film it or not, so I thought I might as well do it anyway. So I'm not sure if maybe I'm living in a bubble and didn't realise that you could siphon petrol this way. Yeah, but this is a way of doing it so you don't get a mouthful of petrol, and it's quite ingenious when you think about it. Quite simple, but yeah, I saw some guy online doing it, so I thought I might as well share it with you guys. So aside from the obvious fuel can, you're going to need two bits of pipe, one pretty long so you can get it into the fuel tank and get it right down into the fuel, and then a shorter one, maybe like a metre or so. Oh, and a cloth. I can't believe I haven't done it like this before. So, to avoid getting a tasty mouthful of petrol, you just need to put your longer pipe, make sure it goes down into the petrol, and obviously the other end into your petrol can. The other one goes in, I don't know, I think I probably had it in maybe a foot or so into the tank, so it's in the air above the petrol. And then I got a cloth, well I used a sock to try and block up any gaps around the two pipes to make it airtight. And yeah, just blow into the first pipe, obviously the one in your mouth, and yeah, the petrol comes out. It's an awesome way of doing it. It's a game changer. So there we are, cheeky little video. Makes such a difference not getting a mouthful of petrol. It's horrible, as I'm sure you're all aware. So yeah, thanks for watching as always. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell, comment down below, and I shall see you on the next one. Cheers guys.